Hi there. Welcome to our channel. Follow the steps for learning how to book flight tickets via Google Flights. Step 1. Open Google Flights on any web browser by simply typing Google Flights on search. Step 2. Click on the very first Google search result, which will be the official website. Step 3. On the next screen, the Google Flights page will appear. Step 4. First, specify if your trip is round trip or to multiple cities or one-way. Step 5. Then select the number of passengers. Step 6. Next, specify if you want economy, premium economy, business or first class tickets. Step 7. Now, select the cities you want to travel to and from. Step 8. Specify the departure and return dates. Step 9. Click on Search. Step 10. Then select the flight after comparing the prices and click on Continue. Step 11. On the next page, you must complete the pay, and that's it. Your flight is booked with Google Flights. I hope you like the video. Subscribe and like if you like the content we post.